Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge Chromium. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Colors. Click Dark Mode. Open Edge Chromium. Type Edge // flags. Type theme in search flags. Click Enable. Click Relaunch now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.